Hello my dear learners, this is a small presentation on finance. I am Assistant Professor Sonal Agrawal and I am here to tell you in very simple terms what is finance. In fact, the evidence shows that the origin of this term is as old as the human civilization. In today's world, if we talk about finance, we can say that it is the study of how people allocate their assets over time under conditions of certainty and uncertainty. It is in simple terms the management of money. Just like HR is management of human resources, finance is the management of money. It is the art of managing various available resources with an individual like money, assets, investments, securities, etc. Now, definition of finance, there is no one definition of finance accepted by all, but then it has been defined in numerous ways by different groups of people, whether they may be experts, entrepreneurs, academicians, the common men, they all define finance as per their own perception. However, in general sense, we can say that finance is the management of money and other valuables which can be easily converted into cash. Moving on to the next slide. Finance may be classified under three heads broadly, that is personal finance, corporate finance and public finance. In the forthcoming slides, we will look at each of these classifications in brief. Personal finance. Now, basically, personal financial decisions involve an individual and they involve payment for education, financing durable goods, purchasing real estate, purchasing vehicles, insurance, health and property, etc. So basically personal finance relates to an individual and his financial decisions. The six key areas in personal finance are financial position, investment goals, retirement planning, adequate protection, tax planning, and estate planning. So these are the different key areas that an individual needs to pay attention to during his entire lifespan. So retirement planning, for example, would mean that once a person starts with the job and he is secure, then he has to start planning for the retirement. He has to make adequate financial arrangements for his retirement. Similarly, tax planning, estate planning, all these things need to be taken care of. The next classification is corporate finance. Now, corporate finance is the task of providing the funds for a corporate's activities. And it basically involves balancing risk and profitability. Now, there are three interrelated decisions that need to be taken as far as corporate finance is concerned. The first is the investment decision. How much money should be invested in the corporate, in the working of the corporate? The financing decision. How the finances should be procured, whether by way of shares, by the way of loans, or any other method. And the third is the dividend decision, whether the profit should be distributed by way of dividend or whether a part of the profit should be retained as reserve, etc. So this is what is corporate financing, and corporate financing, these decisions will be usually taken care of by the chief financial officer of the company along with the board of directors. Now, public finance. Public finance describes the finance as related to the sovereign state, that is related to a country in simple words. And as far as it is concerned, it deals with identification of required expenditure of a public sector entity. So, for example, here you can see that the required expenditure in education or in public sector areas like hospitals or infrastructure, etc. Then it deals with the sources of that entity's revenue. Normally, in terms of government, the sources of revenue is the direct and the indirect taxes, and it is concerned with the budgeting process. That is the process of revenue and expenditure of that particular entity. Some of the features of finance, as we can see over here, are investment opportunities, profitable opportunities, optimal mix of funds, system of internal controls, and future decision making. There could be many more features of finance. I have just enlisted the most important ones. Now, what about the opportunities in finance? The finance specialization for students, it offers tremendous opportunities in various sectors. Yes, because finance is the lifeblood of an economy. There is a huge demand for qualified financial professionals in India due to open market policy that has been adopted by the government. As far as students are concerned, the career options in finance may relate to chartered accountancy, chartered financial analyst, stockbroker, portfolio manager, investment banker, to name a few. This is a chart that shows the careers that are available to a student of finance. A student of finance, he may opt for investment banking, retail banking, accountancy and taxation, management consultancy, corporate laws. Yes, because it is a very good combination, law and finance. It makes for a very good corporate lawyer. Compliances and risk, actuarial, basically related to the calculation of insurance premiums, insurance as it is, trading, fund management. And hence, we can see that there are a number of financial careers that may be pursued by students. Now, finally, as we conclude, we can say that finance is indeed the soul of our economic activities, because you may have all the other factors of production with you, but then without finance, everything remains stagnant. Nothing gets moving without flow of funds. Finance has now become an organic function, an inseparable part of our day-to-day lives. Yes, because we need to make financial decisions in our personal as well as professional lives. Finance today is not merely a word, but then it has emerged into an academic discipline of greater significance, and this is now being recognized at all levels. Now, finance, to be more precise, is concerned with the management of own funds, raised funds, borrowed funds. At the end, I would like to quote Benjamin Franklin. He says that your net worth to the world is usually determined by what remains after your bad habits are subtracted from your good ones. And finally, thank you so much for listening to this presentation on finance, and I wish you all a happy learning experience and best of luck with whatever career you take in your life. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. ठीक है
चल रहा है
कर दिया बेटा स्टॉप
कहाँ हुआ चल रहा है